Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge assembly configurations. So let's get started. Here we have an assembly. Assembly configuration option is in the home tab of the ribbon area. Here we can see the current configuration, that is default configuration. You can save the configuration, display configurations, configuration manager, configuration options. Here are the options of the configuration. So let's get started with the configuration. Here we have an open assembly and we will add configurations to this assembly. Click on display configurations. Here is the one configuration, that is default solid edge configuration. Now we will add one more configuration. To add the configuration, click on this new, add name for the configuration like without handle and click OK. Now this configuration has been added here without handle. The configuration file extension is .cfg and we can locate the folder for that configuration. So this is the folder path for the configuration. Now close this file. Now click on configuration manager. Here we can see there is the list of the parts that is been included in the assembly. Now we can select or unselect part from this manager. This is the configuration without handle. You don't want this handle into the assembly. So this is the nut of this handle. I will uncheck this box, then ball handle, then we will select only handle, is the handle, and save it. Okay, and save this configuration. Now click on this configuration and click OK. Now this is without handle configuration. This is the default. So one more configuration we have added into this assembly. Now we will see how to represent these configurations on the assembly drawing. File, new, drawing of active model. Okay. Now we have placed this drawing view, but this is with the handle. Now copy this view, or you can browse from this view wizard and paste here. Then select this view, go to the properties and select here configuration like without handle and apply. Okay. This view, here is the view without handle. So this is the method to represent these configurations on the assembly drawing. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.